My employees let me know that he was going to start going to the gym and running on a treadmill to lose weight. Then I broke his heart with math. I was like, yep, whenever I run on the treadmill, I burn 100 calories a mile, give or take. He's like, wow, man, that's great. I'm like, actually, that's not shit. I'm not a fitness expert, but I pretty much heard that in order to lose a pound, you have to burn 3,500 to 4,000 calories. And when he figured out that he would have to run 35 to 40 miles to lose 1 pound of fat, he's like, all right, so how do you lose weight? I was like, oh, that's easy. I just fuck a lot.